This is a light bulb replacement video for more of our common lights for the Belmont or TPC lights. These lights have a cover on the back. Sometimes you can undo them by hand, sometimes you need a flathead screwdriver. Remove the cover. There's a small lock. You got to turn counterclockwise and remove it, which holds the light bulb in. Pull the bulb out by the wire gently. Until it comes out. Do not touch the bulb element with your fingers. Remove the bulb from the wires. Plug. Install your new bulb. Also, do not touch the bulb element. Make sure the connections seat inside of themselves. Reinstall the bulb into the housing using the wire. Put your lock back in. Make sure the lock part lines up this way with the bulb. That way it locks it in good. This lock has two little tabs on the outside edge that slide into the grooves of the light housing. Make sure those go in. You have to push in and turn clockwise to lock it in place. Put the wires out of the way. Test your light before putting your housing back on. Just line the screw up with the hole. Tighten the screw back down. Okay, your cover is even with the light housing. Now replace the light bulb.